Hi, my name is Vjekoslav Nemesh, and today we'll be doing guided painting exercise number 2 in my studio. It's called layering in green. Through this exercise you will learn how to improve your skills even further and create a depth on your canvas in one layer. And you will be creating realistic form using lots of different tools. What you're going to take from this class is each artist has his own way of painting with oils or different mediums. So take for yourself what is easy, what suits you, what is best for you, for your type of painting. This is my little helper. His name is Eric. He just couldn't help himself to be around when I'm painting. Suddenly it just comes in and it comes beautiful, and that's the best part of it, you know, when it's not like when you paint just one painting and this is it, it comes. That's of course great, but when you revive something which you keep doing and keep trying to create something, and you know, you have something beautiful out of that, it's just amazing. When I started painting, I had many of these experiences, emotional experience, when I had tears of joy when I'm painting. And this is the main reason why I'm teaching people, because I want to bring them this joy of creation when something comes and you're just blown away what's happening.